Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on the 5S system. Before we proceed any further, please do note that we publish 3 videos daily on YouTube. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with what is the 5S system. The method of 5S was invented and popularized by Toyota. It derived itself from 5 principles. Each of these began with the letter S. In Japanese, they stand for sort, set in order, shine, standardize and sustain. Every S is one step in a 5-part approach that can make the operations of a business better. Moving on to the application of 5S. The 5S principles can be employed in any business environment, production factory environment, and even one's personal life. It lets one organize one's practices and residence. Over a period of time, 5S has been employed in designing factories. However, the core ideas have always been recently used for developing software, maintaining the house, and also architecture. Its key benefit is that it allows one to organize visually and increases efficiency. Additionally, it also shows them how to keep the system in place. Moving on to the origin of 5S. 5S was invented by Japanese innovator Sakichi Toyoda. Toyoda is the founder of Toyota, who is also popular as a father of the Japanese Industrial Revolution. This process was first used in Toyota's assembly line. It then became a key feature of the global lean manufacturing boom in the 1980s. The just-in-time concept arose out of Toyota and Ohno's idea of 5S. Its steps deal with making a clean and tidy workspace area, sorting through and storing items that are employed the most in manufacturing, and then keeping the system in order. It can be summarized as such: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. 5S explained. Let's start with sort. The initial step of 5S is to sort. It is a process of looking through all the equipment, furniture, tools, materials, etc. in a workplace. The idea is to find out what can be kept and what can be discarded. There are a few questions that have to be answered in this step. What does this item do? When was the item used previously? How commonly it is needed? Who needs it? And does it have to be in the workplace? These queries help understand the necessity of each item. An office can be tidier minus the unused items or items that are not needed. They occupy space and cause clutter. Next, set in order. After removing the additional clutter, it becomes effortless to see what's left. Work groups can now step in to develop their own strategies for going through and sorting the items still left. What can we consider? Which workstations or workers need which item? When are these items needed? Which items are needed the most? Should items be put into groups according to type? Where does it make the most sense to keep items? Can some placement areas be more feasible for workers than others? Can some placements reduce unwanted motion? And finally, will additional storage containers help to stay more organized? In this step, all workers should decide which placement makes the most sense. Thinking over the work, how often they are done, the past used by employees in the workplace, etc. need to be figured out beforehand. Next, shine. Everybody believes they understand housekeeping. However, when there is a huge workload, it tends to get ignored. The shine phase of 5S concentrates on clearing the workplace. This involves putting materials and tools away, wiping surfaces clean, dusting, mopping, sweeping, etc. Along with these basic steps, shine also requires working on everyday maintenance of machinery and equipment. Planning in advance for maintenance means business can spot problems and avoid breakdowns. Less time is lost and there is no decrease in profits because of work stoppages. Next, standardize. Standardize makes everything systematic. It makes habits out of one-time efforts. Standardize gives routine tasks, makes schedules, and convey instructions so these actions become regular. It develops a standard operating protocol for 5S. It makes sure orderliness is not ignored. A 5S checklist or a chart that is used every day might be helpful in accordance with the workplace. A posted work schedule shows how often a cleaning task must be done. It assigns people who are responsible for it. At first, employers might need reminders about 5S. Brief periods have to be worked into the daily schedule for 5S tasks initially. However, as the time goes on, these tasks become more of a habit. And finally, sustain. This step comes after the standard protocols for 5S have been set. Businesses have to sustain these activities and change them if needed. Sustain is how 5S is kept running smoothly. It gets all employees in the business to get involved. Leaders have to take part. Workers from the office, the manufacturing floor, and the warehouse also have to join. Sustain tries to ensure that 5S is a long-term project. It has to be more than a single event or a short-term task. In the best case scenario, 5S becomes an integral part of an organization's culture. When 5S is sustained for a while, organizations start seeing the positive impact of the method. Finally, the benefits of implementing 5S. First, pleasant and clean surrounding. 5S builds a clean and organized environment. Workers like working in a pleasant and tidy office. Next, discipline. Workers become more disciplined. They have to keep the standards in place. This could involve routine audits, routine cleaning, putting things in their proper places, etc. Next, spot and discard waste. 5 helps notice a lot of waste such as excess motion, overproduction, etc. Workers can start cutting down waste and increase productivity. Next, make more space. Taking out the unnecessary things and organizing the required things free up space. Studies show that 5S frees about 10 to 20% more floor space when implemented. Next, spot problems. Machine vibrations, air leakage, oil leakage can be spotted quickly and addressed on the spot. Next, spot problems how the materials flow. Excess inventory, line imbalances, lack of part, etc. would be discovered after 5S is put in motion. Next, safety is improved. 5S assists in forming a safe office place by decreasing accidents because of slippery floors by keeping visual indicators and removing oil leaks. Next, betters machine uptime. By cleaning regularly and working on problems, machines will not stop working as often. Implementing 5S has shown more than a 60% drop in breakdowns. And finally of all, quality goes up. By keeping the office clean and visible, quality improves greatly. Flaws cannot be kept hidden anymore. There are fewer problems and improvements, and first-time acceptance become better. Worker morale goes up and they have an optimistic outlook. 5S encourages a positive outlook and aids in changing the culture in a business. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on the 5S system. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel where you'll witness 3 new videos daily. Additionally, if you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.